Will you accept an apology from a doctor during the course of your medical malpractice trial when he refused to apologize at any time during the 2.5 years of litigation leading up to your trial? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. You bring a lawsuit against a doctor who you believe violated the basic standards of medical care. And during the course of your entire litigation, the doctor refuses to accept responsibility and refuses, importantly, to apologize for what he did. Now you are furious, you are angry, you now have significant harms and losses as a result of whatever the doctor did wrong. And now, during the course of trial, the doctor gets up on the witness stand. The doctor now turns to you during the course of trial and says, "Mrs. Jones, I'm sorry, I apologize for whatever I did." Will you accept the doctor's apology? And is that enough for you to enter into settlement negotiations at that point? During the course of a medical malpractice trial, many times an injured victim wants nothing more other than to get the doctor to acknowledge and admit the fact that they did something wrong, and more importantly, to apologize to them. To come up to them and say, "Mrs. Jones, I'm so sorry for what happened. I'm really sorry. I never intended this to happen. This was a mistake," whatever it is. For the victim to now get that apology, that is critical. That line of communication has been broken. And now the litigation ensues, the case goes to trial, and now the question becomes, if the doctor admits and apologizes on the witness stand, or even to you in person outside in the hallway, would that be enough for you to now enter into settlement negotiations and try and resolve your case? Some people would say yes. Others would say absolutely not. We've gone this far, the doctor has wasted all my time, forced me to go to trial, and now he turns around, he wants to settle this case? Not a chance. I'm going to let the jury come to a decision. Going to trial and taking a verdict could be exactly what you want. However, you should know that it could be filled with risk. The jury might come back and award you less than what you're asking for. They may come back and award you nothing. Or, on the other hand, they may come back and award you much more than what you're asking for. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen during the course of a trial. And it does happen occasionally. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something that I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.